Welcome back, guys. This time we're out on the western side of the Telbingo reservoir, and we're going to have a poke around just sort of down below Tumut, near Batlow in the Bago State Forest, and see what we can find there. We're up here for the long weekend in October, so I've been looking forward to this one. Haven't been out camping for a while. We've just had lunch, and now we're going to go and try and find a lookout. We're just making our way up to this lookout, and we're just sort of zigzagging all over the place here. There's tracks everywhere, and there's this steep little pinch here. So we're going in the right direction. It looks good. We were hoping Scotty's going to take the bonus line there, but didn't seem to happen. We made it, Goat Hill Lookout. So that's the Telbingo Reservoir in the background. Looking, what would that be, north? Looking about north-ish. Yeah. Not a bad spot at all. It's a bit overgrown in here. Some of these tracks haven't been.
It doesn't seem to be getting any worse, so we'll keep
driven
on
for a
going
while.
now if everyone's happy.
Okay, looks like we're going to keep going.
Happy,
Holy dooly. It's a bit rough, this track. I don't think anyone's driven this for a little while. It's a bit overgrown. It's a bit narrow. So I just got a call on the radio. Andy's got himself hung up. What happened, mate? Too busy watching the scenery. Holy dooly, you did a good job there. So, just leave it like that, Scotty.
Oh yeah.
How'd you do that? Don't worry about them brake lines.
Oh, thank you. Glad I didn't drive and just keep going any further forward.
Wish me luck. Thanks, mate. Look at that open up. Oh, look at that. What a view.
I just thought I'd stop here real quick because this power line track we're on is just, it's awesome. It's just great, the view. And there's Telbingo behind me, so you don't often see it from this side, and you can see the runway strip down there, and behind the tower here is power station up there.
Down, down, deeper and down.
So here we are at Buddong Falls. There's a good amount of water going over that, looks pretty good.
That's a lot of water going down.
That's pretty cool. So that's about 400 metres from the car park down here. So we walked another, I don't know, a couple of 100 metres down the track, just trying to get a good view of this, this sort of last one or middle one. It's pretty good, but there's a few trees in the way, so I don't know if the camera's going to quite pick it up. We've stopped for a visit at Buddong Hut. Just came to check it out on our way to our campsite.
Who's a crab?
You guys every day, it's like straight edge out there, mate. Why have we stopped? What's going on? Is it too thick up there, or what's going on?
Are you through this, Dale? You there, Dale, at all?
Great, we've lost Dale. The hillbillies have got him. You hear them banjos playing, Scotty? Can you see what I can see?
All I can see is the back of your car and bush, that's it.
What can you see? This fucking bush. Can you see Dale? No. No, he's had it. He's a goner. Yeah, Scotty?
Yeah, I'm coming through.
We've just rolled into camp. We're here at the old mill site. There's a couple of other people camped over there, but it's a big flat area. It's about 5 o'clock. It's a bit grey up there. I don't know if we're going to get a shower or not, but we're going to cook a roast tonight, so we're going to get the fire on. Actually, I'll show you the roast as well as we cook it, so that'll be our cooking segment. So I'll hand it over to Scotty and he'll explain what we're having.
Okay, we're having roast or baked leg of lamb in the camp oven. So we're going to have some garlic. I'm using garlic paste because I'm lazy. Rosemary.
No, not rosemary.
Yep, lots of rosemary. Throw rosemary
What
into
did
the
rosemary
dogs.
ever do to you?
Some mixed herbets. Bit of salt and pepper. Yep, looks good. And then we turn it over and do the same to the other side.
Rightio, and then how long does that go in the fire for, Scotty?
It's got to cook for at least this leg at least about an hour and a half, maybe an hour and 3/4. About halfway through, we throw our potatoes and pumpkin and carrots all in beside it.
Rightio, so that's my job. I better go and get onto that, and we'll check it out when it comes out.
Back on. Okay, how much meat do you want?
Yeah, load me up. Good morning, everybody. So it is Sunday morning now. and we've woken up and it's a pretty crappy day. I don't know what happened there with the weather forecast. It was supposed to be pretty nice, but it's pretty misty and rainy, and it blew all night. Holy dooly, it blew. But anyway, we're having some breakfast. We'll get out of here and try and get down a bit lower and have a look around. But just cooking some pancakes at the moment for brekkie, and then I'll go around and see what the boys are doing and see what our plan of attack is for the day. We're just on the way out of the old mill site, but I thought I'd just drive around real quick and show you lots of remains left from what was here. There's old, boilers and footings and bits of brickwork, and there's just sort of old bits of tin scattered around everywhere. We are not having much luck with the weather at all, but we'll keep going for a little bit, see how we go.
Excellent weather for going out for a Sunday morning drive. Everybody should do it.
Dale's linkage has come off, so he's sort of stuck in low range at the moment. So he's just parked up here, and we're going to just try and see if we can fix that linkage. You see it? You can't see it. Just stick your head up. Just there, see?
Ah, there it is.
Yep.
Like a new beauty. Oh, it's popped out. I reckon. Yeah.
Got it?
Nearly. Hang on.
Yeah, so it just popped out. Still there. He's just popping it back in. We'll be good to go. We're here at Paddy's River Falls. Come to check it out. Not a bad view at all. That's pretty cool, pretty loud. It's the second time I've been here now, and yeah, I love it. Yeah, so this doesn't look good. We've only got one saw, and this is a big tree, so we'll just have a look at this and see what we're going to do.
Imagine that's broken.
We were doing so well, but there's always one, isn't there? It falls right across the track. It's part of four-wheel driving, isn't it? We do have another saw with us. So the boys have come up with a plan. We're going to cut this in a couple of spots, winch it out the way, and keep going.
And we are live.
We finished off that track, and Found ourselves a little campsite here just off Boundary Track, I think it is. This will do us for the night. At least the blue sky and the sun's shining at the moment, so that's good. So we're going to settle in here and then we'll be off home tomorrow. That's our adventure for this long weekend, out here sort of poking around back at Tumbarumba, below Batlow in the state forest, which has been pretty good. There's a lot of stuff up here, so we'll definitely be back. But thanks for watching, and if you'd like to subscribe and follow along on our adventures, that'd be great. Thanks guys, see you next time.